So today I'd be hiking with a friend. So there's a friend of mine who I met on the Marble Murrelet project a couple years ago, and she lives in Southern California, so we decided to meet up out in the mountains by Bakersfield, and we're going to go hike something called the Untal Trail, which is apparently the Trail of the Bear. I assume one of the indigenous languages. And as you can see, lots and lots of snow out here, so it's going to be a fun day. You can hear the kind of snow melting from the trees and should see some pretty beautiful stuff here in the Sequoia National Forest. The mountain forest after a winter storm is a magical place. Snow falling from the trees, a sign of a settling world. Golden autumn leaves also witness this change. The mountain conifers in Southern California truly felt like a different universe from the surrounding desert, giving a reminder of my home state over 1,000 miles away. A lone piece of a winter paradise. My friend and I learned the hard way that the air currents made by a drone are very cold. The moss growing on the logs made me think of the forests where I've worked the last several years and of future adventures that I'll be filming in those forests for you all. Kaylee too felt compelled to capture the magic of this world. Snow and mountain conifer forests create utterly spectacular patterns, bringing a flavor of light you see almost nowhere else, trees with a profoundly bright glow. Signs of life shine through the winter cold. The collected snowfall truly felt like a world in itself. The stresses of the modern world dissipate into a separate, frozen domain. We live in a planet full of wonder. An elvish woman among her trees. The increasing light and flattening terrain suggested that the summit of our mountain hike was near. profound beauty being among sunlit, frozen giants. After taking a slight detour, my friend and I worked our way back downhill. In places, the snow was deep and steep, but provided a fun kind of adventure. Thanks for guest starring, Kaylee. In the next video, I wander the vast salt flats of the weird and wonderful Death Valley, then explore the astonishing colors of Nevada's Valley of Fire. Until then, wander in wonder.